Today's recipe is going to be a little bit different. It's stuff that people regularly eat in their houses, and sometimes you even order this on a menu from fast food restaurants. So today we're going to be making a simple burger, but the difference between this burger and the regular burger is that this burger is actually going to be all vegan, right? And why I'm actually very excited about this particular episode is because today is Tuesday and I fast on a Tuesday, which means I do not consume any meat and I do not eat any eggs. So I thought that this episode would be so suitable for people that are vegetarians, people that happen to be vegans. And I have been brought up on a whole lot of soya goods, which I've been eating from a very young age when I do particularly fast. And so today I am actually going to be reviewing this big fry burger. It's a burger that is new on the market and it is a plant-based burger. So I want to actually cook this burger for you, and I want to tell you how nice this burger is, or not nice it actually is, and how well suited it is in a burger. But the trick today is that we're going to be comparing this burger to a brand that is taking the world by storm. So the other burger that I'm going to be making is called the Beyond Burger. And the Beyond Burger, everybody knows the Beyond Burger. I personally tasted this. A friend of mine took us to Woolworths. I tasted this burger. It is absolutely amazing. So I decided to purchase this burger. You can actually purchase this from Woolworths. It's a little bit more on the pricey side, which we will talk about, but I promise you it is definitely worth buying. So we're gonna do a comparison between these two burgers and we'll see how it actually goes. Now with the Beyond Burger, you can get that from Woolworths. I think Spur also has it on their menu, and you can also, if you are looking to purchase it, you can also buy it from Jackson's supermarket. And this entire recipe, everything that we're using today happens to be vegan, right? So we are even using avocado butter. I've got some fried onions. I've got a sauce which I've mixed together, so it's a bit of a spicy mayo, and this particular mayo happens to be vegan as well. So this is a sauce that I have used. You can purchase this from any supermarket, but this is the mayo. This particular mayo that I bought happens to be vegan, and it is from Woolworths as well. And then we've got our rolls, and then we have a dairy-free cheese slices with coconut oil. So I'm really excited to try this out. Super cool, it's super awesome. And let's actually start making this burger. And make sure to watch this video till the end, as we have a mystery taste test between these both burgers to see which burger tastes better. So the first burger we are actually going to start frying is the Big Fry Burger. According to the instructions, it says heat 15 milliliters of oil on a high non-stick pan, add the defrosted patty and reduce to medium heat and fry for 9 minutes, turning occasionally. So let's get this baby cooking. Okay. So as you can see, this burger is really nice. It's got a nice smell. It's got, I would say it's got a meaty vibe to it, definitely in terms of texture. It does not feel like soya at all. It's really nice, it's thick, and we're gonna actually just put it into our pan now. So whilst the burgers are actually frying, I want to quickly just prepare my buns. All I'm basically doing is I'm going to give them a quick cut, and then I'm going to butter them. Once that's done, I am going to fry them so that they're nice and toasted and super warm. So as I did say, I'm using avocado oil butter, so it is pretty cool. I haven't really seen this before. So once it's buttered, I'm actually just going to put it in the frying pan to give it a heat and to grill it on both sides. Okay, so now I'm going to put my cheese on. There's about 1.5 more minutes to go with this burger. So I'm going to just take a slice of my cheese and I'm going to put it on to the burger as such so that it can melt. And then I'm going to take this bowl, cover it up so it can get a bit steamy and the cheese can actually melt. Okay, so the burger is done and I'm gonna remove this. Please do not remove this with your bare hands. I just got burnt. So you're gonna need some tongs. Give that a lift. The burger is nicely cooked. The cheese is melted, and I'm just gonna plate this onto a side plate until we are ready to assemble the burger. Don't forget to check up on your bread rolls. You want them nice and toasted. So this is almost done. So we're gonna leave it on for about a minute and then we'll check up on it again. So in the meantime, we're gonna start cooking our Beyond Burger. And the cooking instructions recommended is to preheat grill or pan to a high or medium to high heat and cook for about 4 minutes per side. So let's get this cooking. Do not overcook. Edge and interior of patty will still be red or pink when fully cooked. And yeah, that's basically it. Okay, so we're not going to use any oil to cook with to cook this burger, but I do want to show you the texture of this burger. It really does look like meat, people. I mean, as you can see, there are like pieces of like fat in here. I haven't really picked it up yet. It does have a very distinct smell and taste. I do know that because I have tasted it before, like I said, but I've never cooked it before. So I just want to take this out of the packaging and actually show it to you guys. So this is the burger. It comes with a bit of wrapping and it is quite thick. I mean, it really is thick, as you can see. And we're gonna actually just pop it into the pan and see how this baby cooks. So as you can see, this burger is cooking with no oil, and once it started to fry, the burger itself started to excrete some of the oil. So you really do not need to add any oil to the pan when cooking this burger. Okay, so at this point I'm going to put the slice of cheese, the vegan cheese, on this, and I'm going to cover it up for a quick minute, the last minute of cooking this burger, and then we will take it out and then start assembling both burgers. So these are the buns, and it's very simple. We're not going for anything fancy. We just want the burger to shine. So the only thing that I am adding on this is, well, obviously avocado butter to the rolls, some sauce, like I did mention, some mayo and some onions, and then the burger itself. And let's just see how it tastes, because there's also cheese on it. So I'm gonna actually add the sauce onto the bottom part of the bun. Smear that on. And you can be generous as you like. And then I want to add the burgers. Once that's done, I'm going to add a bit more sauce. Okay, so I'm going to smear the remaining mayo on the top. Okay, next I'm going to add in the onions, which I just fried earlier on. It's a perfect portion for 2 burgers. Last bit of it in. Get that all nicely spread out onto the patty so it's distributed nicely when you give it a nice. And then that's practically it. So I'm gonna close these up, and then I want to slice them in the center so you guys can see how they are. And then I'm going to get my husband to actually taste them and see which one he actually, or which burger he just prefers eating. So the first burger we're going to cut is the fries. Let's get in there. It's a nice big burger. Let's check this baby out. Looks pretty cool. The next one we're going to do is the Beyond Burger. Let's check this baby out. Pretty nice. Looks like real meat. Okay, so this is my husband, and he is going to be trying out the 2 burgers that we made. We made 2 burgers today. They are plant-based burgers. One happens to be a fries brand, and one happens to be the Beyond Burger brand. I know that the Beyond Burger has a distinct taste, so he's probably going to know which burger is the Beyond Burger. I do not want you to tell me which burger tastes better because they're both reputable brands, but I do want you to just tell me which burger you prefer, and maybe just why you prefer it. They both have the same ingredients and have been prepared pretty much the same way, so you can start with whichever burger you want to start with first. Okay, so that was burger number 1. Here's some water so you can clean your palate. And we're gonna go in for burger number 2 next. So I think he obviously does know which burger he did try, but he's gonna let us know at the end once he's done trying both the burgers. So that is burger number 2. Hey, so we are done with the burger testing, and we have tried out the Beyond Burger and we've tried out the fries burger. So love, which burger did you try first?
I tried this one first.
And which one was that?
I think it's the fries one.
The fries one. And did you like the fries one?
Yes, the fries one was very nice.
Does it taste like soya?
Not at all.
What does it taste like?
It tastes like meat.
Does it really taste like meat?
Yeah, it has a crunchy taste to it as well.
Okay, cool. And then I'm assuming the second one you tried, which is obviously going to be the Beyond Burger. How did you find the Beyond Burger? Because we've eaten the Beyond Burger at Spur and at Jackson's, and we've also tried it out at the Woolworths Cafe. How do you like the Beyond Burger?
The Beyond Burger is like meat. It's identical to having a proper beef burger.
Okay, so next question. Which burger would you prefer having at home?
I would prefer the Beyond Burger.
Why?
But I would rate this burger 8 out of 10 and this burger literally 9 out of 10.
Okay, so they're pretty much...
They're very close.
Okay, awesome. Thanks, love. Okay, so now that we have tried both the burgers, the Beyond Burger and the Big Fry Burger, and we prepared both of them, I am going to quickly just go over the nutritional facts on both of them. I got this information from both the sites, and we are going to be chatting about the total fat, the carbs, the sodium, and the protein that both burgers have. I know that being vegan, a lot of people are trying the vegan route. A lot of people, there are more and more people that are becoming vegans on a day-to-day basis. So my only job here today is to just give you value and to share, my opinion on both the burgers that we made today, and just give you information so you know which burger you want to purchase. But ideally, I do recommend you trying both burgers because they both really tasty. So let's get straight into it. As you can see, the nutritional facts for the Beyond Burger is on the left hand side of the screen, and for the Big Fry Burger, the nutritional facts is on the right hand side of the screen. The first thing that we are going to compare is the total fats that both burger has. The figures that we are going to be comparing is per serving. So for total fat on both the burgers, the Beyond Burger has 18 grams, and as you can see, the Big Fry Burger has 4.5 grams. Next, we're going to discuss the sodium that both the burgers have. The Beyond Burger comes in at 350 mg, whereas the Big Fry Burger sodium comes in at 794 mg. Next, we're going to discuss the total carbs. So the total carbs in the Beyond Burger happens to be 5 grams per serving, and the total carbs for the Big Fry Burger happens to be 9 grams per serving. And as you can see, that the Big Fry Burger actually has a little bit more sugar in it than the Beyond Burger. And then lastly, we are going to discuss the protein that both the burgers have, and this is actually quite funny because it's so close, people. As you can see, the protein in the Beyond Burger is 20 grams, and the protein that is in the Big Fry Burger is 19.8 grams. So it's literally 0.2 grams less of the Beyond Burger. And now moving forward, we are going to talk about just the overall experience with both the burgers. Okay, and then finally an overall comparison between the Beyond and the Big Fry Burger. So let's talk about the price. You can actually pay 129 Rand, so we're gonna round it off to 130 Rand for the Beyond Burger, and the Big Fry Burger goes for 60 Rand, and in both trays you are getting 2 burgers, so 2 patties in each tray. You can purchase the Beyond Burger from Woolworths, and you can purchase the Big Fry Burger from Pick n Pay, Checkers, and Spar. I actually went to Pick n Pay and bought the Big Fry Burger. In terms of tasting meaty, I would suggest that both of them do taste meaty. They do have different textures, but they definitely both have a meaty vibe. And my overall value, the Beyond Burger happens to be healthier, well, you know, slightly more healthier and more meaty because of the thickness of the burger, whereas the Big Fry Burger is definitely bang for buck. It's easily accessible because there's more places that you can buy it from, and it's more crispy in texture. If you had to ask me to pick a burger, I would definitely suggest both of them. I personally liked the taste of both of them. I guess in terms of eating them, how frequently would I eat them, it would definitely be how I feel on the day. I definitely am going to continue purchasing both brands because they're both really nice burgers. It's just like how you might like spicy chicken on one day and not so spicy chicken on another day. Definitely purchase both of them. Definitely try both of them, and make sure you comment on this video to let me know which burger you liked best.